How long would it normally take to clear? 12 hours or something?
Yeah, it should be.
And then you put them clearer boards on the other hives, will you?
Not today, but I'll be. Come on, off. Out.
I'm not going to attack you.
Still early, isn't it? Come on, you're stuck, aren't you? So do you have a bit of that honey last night then, did you?
Yeah, that was better tasting than
Was it?
the last lot.
Oh, that's good. I think that's is a
I
good
don't know
lot.
why.
Of honey.
That's a nice lot of honey, this one, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah,
very
several
dark,
people-
it's sort of between. That's good, the honey, yeah.
Several people told me that, mate. I went out, so I extracted just the food supers last week, and
Told you what? Oh, what? This? Yeah, it's good honey this time.
yeah, and several people said, like, "Oh, it's lovely." Oh, come on, out you get. That'll do.
Take the screen board off now, can't you? I've already glued it all down.
Yeah, no, they do. Also, yeah, many years under there first. I got my smoker. Yeah, no chance of that. Come off next week.
What's that, all full of bees, huh?
Yeah, sorry. Bloody hell. Should we say next Tuesday, Buxton?
Yeah, yeah.
You want to go down there?
So you left them a long while. When was you last down there then?
I went down this week.
Oh,
Just
were
a
you?
quick visit, yeah, just the first thing in the morning. Not to inspect, but just have a look. They seem to be alright, the wasps there. That's been the worst place. There must be a lot of wasp nests around in them woods around down there. Must
Yeah.
be.
Yeah, there's a lot of wasps about, isn't there?
Yeah, I've seen a few, or one I should say, one this morning, but I mean that's never going to do any harm. I mean, these are all pretty strong hives, I think. It's a real small sort of hive, is he, in this apiary?
No.
And the other ones are pretty good, so
Yeah, they're all this year's nukes down in Buxton, aren't
yeah, I mean the swarms, aren't they? It's,
they? Yeah.
so I mean you get to a point, don't you? There's so they fill up the 6 frames, and then you put them in a 12 frame hive, don't you? So there's a lot
Yeah.
more
Oh,
space.
yeah.
What do? They need more space.
So, yeah.
I mean, all right.
For the first few weeks, they got too much space, didn't they?
Yeah, and you just hope. Like I said, you know, I think it's survival of the fittest. You just hope the queen, if she's good, she'll build up and be laying eggs really quickly. So you just hope they just fill up and produce plenty of bees, you know. So I'm going down the route of, I think less inspections has been the way forward,
Yeah, I think you're
without a
right.
doubt. And I think I should be, like I said, if they can't defend themselves, then, you know, they're not going to be a strong hive, I don't think. I mean, you can see I've reduced the entrances, haven't I?
Yeah.
So, I mean, just like, it's only a little old space they've got to defend, isn't it?
Small entrances to stop the wasps getting in. That's a pity we didn't see that one with the wasps when that first took over.
Well,
That
when
was
we
an
go down
interesting
there
video,
again,
wasn't
we might see some more being taken over. Who knows? Hope
it?
not,
Yeah,
of course.
hope not,
But there's, I mean, there's a good 3 or 4 there that are seem to me to be quite strong. So we'll see. We'll see. That'll be interesting. That won't be so interesting if they're all wiped out, though.
No, I'll be pissed off, won't you?
Oh, yeah.
Buxton wouldn't be no good then to keep bees, would it?
you just got to roll with it though, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah.
You know, I mean, you know, that's what makes it interesting.
No bees left. Exclude a board in. There's a wasp. So you're going to Spixworth, aren't you, in the weekend?
I'm doing Sproston School tomorrow,
I was supposed to.
and then Cromer Monday.
Oh, right. Oh yeah, Corner Fair.
Yeah. Well, that's cleared them pretty well, so 12 hours.
Was he?
Work pretty well though, don't they?
Yeah.
Clear of all day. Just the job. Yeah, I mean that's quite a full one as well, isn't it?
You are?
It's quite a full super as well, that one.
Yeah.
Well, should we have a quick look in that
Oh,
poly
you
one?
want to put that?
Yeah.
There's a lot of wasps about, isn't there?
I mean, you can put, they say you can put wasp traps out. I suppose that helps a bit. But if that really is a shit weak hive, ain't gonna stop them. I think once again, I think that's just a waste of time. Just someone else selling something, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
Buy some wasp traps, 15 quid each. You know, spend 200 quid and you still get several hives overrun by wasps. You see them sticking their arses up in the air and the old stinger come out. That one's trying to sting me, that.
Yeah. This hive's the one must come out first, isn't it?
Yeah. But this is a new queen in
Dark queen.
there. Yeah, they are dark, aren't they?
God, they are angel bees.
Just want a quick look to see what's up there. Alright. Well, they don't like straight as soon as you it's the raw. Oh yeah, some good cat ones there.
Oh yes, quite good. Alright. Pretty good.
Let me get. You can smell the old stinger.
They're not too bad, no.
No. So I've got 3 supers on here. I might just have a quick. General. honey in there, haven't they? Nice. Right. Good. Right, let's get you. See how they get more defensive now because try and protect their honey stores.
Oh yeah.
That's why you need clearer boards. Without a doubt. Right, okay, that's good.